Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching for. Happy Sunday to you all. Today we are going to make wonderful and delicious smoothie. Here we have banana here, and we have cabbage. We have apple. So first of all, we are going to take one banana. I'm going to use one banana. So I'm going to peel my banana right away. I hope you can see me. So we are going to peel our banana. After peeling your banana, you have to cut into small pieces and add them inside your blender. That is it. So the next, we are going to take one apple. So we are going to wash the apple before using it. That is it. So we are going to cut into small pieces. After cutting, then add them inside the blender with the banana. Okay. Then add them too. Make sure you remove the seed, okay? That is it. So the next we are going to add our cabbage. So we are going to cut for the cabbage. We are not going to use all. Okay, you can use this one 3 times. That is enough. Then the next, after cutting your cabbage, we have to wash them very well before using it. It is important, okay? So I have to add more salt to wash my cabbage. Then you have to whisk it with clean water. I'll add them inside your blender too. There is it. Then add the cabbage. That is it. So the next, we are going to add 1 cup of water. Then cover. Can you see it? We have apple, we have banana, we have cabbage. Okay, so we're going to blend them together. I'll be right back. Hello guys, it is ready to go. So you can take one cup in the morning before your breakfast. Then before going to bed, 1 cup. You will see the results. You will come and tell me, say thank you. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.